Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Italian job mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To clear this mission, you need to complete 3 tasks as a cop. Patrol the bank for 30 minutes, arrest 10 criminals inside the bank, and confiscate 5 gold bars. Now, this mission can be a bit tricky, so I highly recommend getting a help from a friend to speed things up. Ask your friend to come to the bank and steal the gold bar. Once they grab it, knock them down and arrest them. Make sure your friend picks up that same stolen gold bar loot every time they return. This way, each time you arrest them, you can confiscate the gold bar from them. Doing this 5 times will complete your gold bar confiscation requirement. And repeating the process until you reach 10 arrests will complete the criminal arrest task. As for the first requirement, simply spend a total of 30 minutes patrolling inside the bank area to get it done. Once all 3 trackers are filled, head back to the police station, talk to the NPC Bert, turn in the mission, and claim your rewards. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.